Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how you can do a faceless affiliate marketing. Today in this video I will continue our 2 tiers affiliate program series and I will go over about another 2-tier affiliate program that I'm promoting and of course I recommend it. The program is MyLeadGenSecret. This service gives you every day 100 leads. It has a built-in mailing system, so you can send emails to your leads every day. In this short video, I will focus about the affiliate program and the business opportunity that we have promoting this service. I will click on the affiliate section. Here we can find the promo tools. Here you will have the affiliate links to the different landing page. You will get email swipes that you can use. You will get banners, and we can see the explanation about this affiliate program structure. There are 5 levels of commissions. In the first level, you will get $5 every month from your referrals. Of course, this is a recurring commission. And also you can see the commission that you will get from the referrals of your referrals. Another great thing about this program, that after you bring the first referral to the system, you will get 100 bonus leads every day. So in total, every day, you will have 200 new leads and you can send them emails with offers with this system. Overall, I think that MyLeadGenSecret affiliate program structure is perfect for us as affiliate marketers, and it's a great service, perfect for beginner affiliate marketer that struggle to get leads every day. I will add a link in the description to join this program. Thanks.